Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial and you are watching the outline tutorial drawing of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now open the app and then select the reference picture from gallery. I have used Grid for Drawing app to make this perfect grid line reference. Then select vertical and A4 size both because I am using A4 size paper for making this outline, and then crop. Then enter cell size as 20 mm. You can change the stroke size of grids as per your choice. I am putting 1 here. You can use levels for grids if you want. Now the reference picture is ready and save the image. Now open the gallery and you can get your reference picture with grids. Now let's start marking grid lines. I took 20 mm cell size, that is 2 cm. That's why I am marking 2 cm gaps all around the paper. Now join the markings horizontally and vertically to make perfect grid. Now just follow the reference picture with grids and fill the grids on paper very carefully. I hope by following this tutorial you can easily make perfect outline using grid line method. So this is the perfect outline, and I will erase the grids before applying colors or shading. So watch next part to complete this drawing. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and like the outcome as well. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy drawing.